These reindeer are super fun to make. You can use tiny reed or larger reed. This is 3/8, which gets a little big. We're going to be using dyed reed from Gina's Baskets. Start with two 25-inch pieces of reed on a diagonal from LA to New York. You'll have 3 pieces of reed that are about 12 inches. Starting with just one, you go under the lower piece and over the upper piece. Fold the topmost strand down like a shawl over your shoulders. You have just created a reindeer butt. Shift the lower strand up, give a little press. Now you're going to add the second 12-inch strand. We're going to weave over and under the opposite the way the last strand was woven. So went under, over, under. This one's going to go over, under, over. This first piece was about halfway the length of the 25-inch strand. The second piece that we're weaving in is going to be 1/3 low, 2/3 high. And shifting really does matter. You want it as close as possible without touching. There we are. Do the shawl wrap again. Take your next short piece, it's going to go the same place, doing opposite this strand, over, under, over, under, over. It's easier to weave a little lower and then shift it up. You've now got a reindeer butt and 2 back legs. We now need to make a reindeer belly. We're only going to do 3 bumps first. So starting with this guy, fold it up, give it a press, and weave it in. The squinching of the space is very important. We've got 1, 2, 3. And the more you can get these strands packed, the less sheep-like your reindeer will be. One, 2, 3, 4 bumps on the back. Already got 2. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So We've got 2 sets of legs and a tail. Now we need the chest. So we'll start low and weave in just like before, pressing, doing the opposite, the adjacent strand. This one is going to be tricky to hold in place. It just folds over. So now you've got your reindeer chest. Now you need the back of the neck. Starting low, weaving in. Two bumps in the back, 2 bumps in the back. Nice long front, nice long front. We've got antlers. Very exciting. Now we need the top of the head. Top of the head. Now we need a nose. And this is the tricky part. There's no good way to do this without picking up the piece and covering a lot of the weave. So you've got this duck bill coming out here. This piece is always going to want to fall down, so you have to hold it in place. You've got 2 at the top. This one's going to wrap around and become the nose, but it's really hard to manipulate. So you kind of bend it into shape. This guy's always going to want to come down. You've got it kind of in shape. Flip the reindeer over. And you need to make space here to tuck this piece in. Once you get the end threaded through, flip it over. Tighten that down. Flip it back over, pull through. And you've got a reindeer. You want the legs to be about the same size. Feel free to color them with some black on the hooks. I like to give them fluffy tails. Usually I wait a little bit to cut the stuff off, but y'all don't need to wait for that. So I'm going to cut in line with the nose, cut on the top, cut the antlers, and decorate however you like.